Today's video explains our new feature AI Image, how to find AI image. Log into your account. Go to Dashboard gives AI image. Feature introduction. First, you should know this. AI mainly does image-to-image generation, so uploading images is mandatory. In the AI image page, you will see 3 models. Let me demonstrate each one's features. Model 1. Here, you can see a tendency option. You can choose whether the generated imager should better match the patterns or text in your uploaded image. First, I select Artistical. See how the generated image keeps the original colors, especially the yellow under the cat. Now, I choose Text Enhancement. The text becomes the focus. Image Variation Test. I've uploaded an image of a mug product and now checked the image variation option. Wow! We get a mug pattern, similar but different from the original. Model 2. Uploading an Easter bunny. Adding text description. Rabbits, in various colors, eggs, Easter, repetitive. See how it generates accordingly. As you can see, the image has been generated according to my requirements. Of course, more precise descriptions give better results. Model 3. Uploading an image of a wallpaper. What happens without image variation? Just clearer duplication. Then let's check image variation. Successfully extracts key patterns, like butterflies and branches. I'll try uploading a carpet image this time. I directly checked image variation. And you can see the elements on the carpet have also been correctly extracted. Important note 1. Name your tasks for easy searching. Important note 2. The generated images can be saved, directly used for design, or utilized to generate other images. Important note 3. Check original versus generated images in task.